Hey YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's sure to grab your attention. 5 ways to make a woman hungry for sex. Whether you're in a new relationship or you've been with your partner for years, sparking that deep desire is essential for a passionate and fulfilling connection. So, what can you do to make her crave intimacy with you? Stick around, because we're about to reveal 5 key ways to turn her on and keep her wanting more. 1. Make her feel emotionally connected. The first and most important way to make a woman hungry for sex is by making her feel emotionally connected. Women often need to feel an emotional bond before they can fully dive into the physical side of intimacy. So, take the time to really connect with her on a deeper level. Talk to her about her day, listen to her thoughts, and engage in meaningful conversations. Show her that you care about her beyond just physical attraction. When she feels emotionally safe and understood, it opens up the door for her to be more vulnerable and eager to connect with you physically. 2. Build sexual anticipation. Women love anticipation. If you want her to be hungry for sex, don't rush things. Instead, build up that sexual tension throughout the day. Send her flirty messages. Give her a passionate kiss before you leave for work, or tease her with a subtle touch that leaves her thinking about what might happen later. The more you build up that desire over time, the more she'll be excited when the moment finally arrives. By creating this slow, steady burn, you'll have her thinking about being with you, and that anticipation will only make the experience more intense when it happens. 3. Create a relaxing, sexy environment. Another powerful way to make her crave intimacy is by setting the mood. Women often respond to their environment, so creating a space that's comfortable, inviting, and sensual is key. Dim the lights, light some candles, and put on some soft music that helps her unwind. Make the space feel cozy and romantic. A cluttered or distracting environment can make it harder for her to relax and focus on the moment. When she's in a space that feels sexy and serene, she'll be much more likely to let go of stress and fully embrace her desire for you. 4. Flirt playfully and show confidence. Confidence and playful flirting are huge turn-ons for most women. If you want to make her hungry for sex, be confident and show her that you're into her in a fun, playful way. Playful touches, teasing comments, and subtle glances go a long way in building that attraction. Confidence doesn't mean being overly aggressive. It's about showing her that you're comfortable in your own skin and that you find her irresistible. When you take the lead with a bit of humor and playfulness, she'll be drawn to your energy and feel that undeniable pull towards you. 5. Focus on her pleasure. Lastly, if you want her to be hungry for sex, make sure you're focused on her pleasure. This means taking the time to understand what she likes, what turns her on, and what makes her feel good. Women often crave intimacy more when they know that their partner is attentive to their needs and desires. It's all about being patient and mindful in the moment. Don't rush through foreplay. Take your time exploring what she enjoys. When she feels like her pleasure is a priority, she'll be eager to reciprocate and feel more confident about expressing her desires with you. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to make a woman hungry for sex. It's all about creating a deep emotional connection, building anticipation, setting the right atmosphere, and focusing on her needs. When you do these things, you'll create a desire that keeps the fire burning strong. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more relationship and intimacy advice. And as always, drop a comment below if you have any tips of your own or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the passion alive.